हेलो चिल्ड्रन, इन्जॉयड योर वीकेंड मज़ा आया आप लोगों को? व्हाट डिड यू डू? पढ़ाई की कि खाली मस्ती की वीकेंड पे, सैटरडे एंड संडे? ओके, नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द वर्कशीट, राइट? आई होप आप सबके पास वर्कशीट है एंड हम लोग आज से वर्कशीट स्टार्ट करेंगे. बट देयर इज अ स्मॉल थिंग दैट lesson 1 and 2 का questions and fill in the blanks I had already given you. मैंने आपको lesson 1 and 2 का revision के लिए questions and fill in the blanks करवा चुकी हूँ मैं आपको, right? So now lesson 3 occupation का questions we will be doing here in the worksheet. Fine? और साथ साथ में हम revision भी करेंगे. We will do 5 questions in a day, right? So what is this? This is the worksheet का occupation वाले chapter का first question. How does occupation help in fulfilling our daily needs? Firstly, let me ask you, do you remember what is occupation? Occupation क्या है? Occupation का definition याद है आपको? Occupation is doing any work in return of money or doing any work to earn our livelihood is known as occupation, right? So how does occupation help in fulfilling our needs? The answer is we earn money through occupation and we fulfill our daily needs through the money we earn, right? So the answer is we earn our livelihood through occupation which help us to fulfill our daily needs, right? Okay, now question number 2. Name the 2 things made by carpenter. So who is a carpenter? Carpenter is a person who makes furniture for us with the help of his tools. So any 2 things that a carpenter makes for us. So what does a carpenter makes? The 2 things that a carpenter makes are number 1, bed, number 2, cupboard, right? So a carpenter makes furniture for us, and furnitures में क्या क्या हो सकता है? There are so many things in furnitures. There is bed, there is sofa, there is cupboard, there is almirah, there is shoe rack, chair, tables, dining tables, right? Wardrobes, dressing tables, so many things that a carpenter can make, right? So this is the answer that I have written. आपको चाहिए, आपको लगता है कि कारपेंटर कुछ और बनाता है, आप वो लिख सकते हो तो यू कैन राइट इट. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप मेरा ही वाला आंसर लिखो. एनीथिंग विच अ कारपेंटर मेक्स यू कैन राइट 2 things. Okay, now who is a photographer? Now you remember मैंने आपको बताया था ऑक्यूपेशन में फोटोग्राफर. यू रिमेंबर द फोटोग्राफर? व्हाट डज अ फोटोग्राफर डू? अ फोटोग्राफर टेक्स फोटोग्राफ्स, राइट? सो हु इज अ फोटोग्राफर? आपके बुक में भी आंसर है, बट आई एम राइटिंग दिस फॉर यू. A person who takes photograph for earning lively for earning livelihood is a photographer, right? And what is the tool of a photographer? Camera, right? Okay, now number 4. What is number 4? Number 4 is, what does a fisherman do? What does a fisherman do? Come on, tell me. We have studied in occupation, right? What did we study? We studied about a fisherwoman. Who was a fisherwoman? The fisherwoman was a lady who was selling fish. Now, if a woman is a lady selling fish, so what would be a man selling a fish? The man selling a fish is a fisherman. And also fisherman catches fish from the rivers and sea. So what does a fisherman do? A fisherman catches fish from river or sea and sells it for earning money, right? So who is a fisherman? A fisherman is a person who catches fish from river or sea and sells it for earning money. So what does a fisherman do? A fisherman catches fish from river or sea and sells it for earning money, right? Now number 5. Who is a bookseller? Come on, tell me, who is a bookseller? जब आप अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए बुक्स खरीदने जाते हो तो आप कहाँ पर जाते हो? You go to a, where do you go? You go to a bookseller, right? So who is a bookseller? A bookseller is a person who sells book. Bookseller sells book in his shop, right? So a bookseller is any person who sells book. And where does he sells the book? Bookseller sells book in his shop, right? Okay, so 5 questions for today. Rest 5 we will do tomorrow. I hope you are studying at home, you are doing your revisions, and please अगर आपका कोई भी वर्क बाकी है तो complete it. नोटबुक वाली चीज़ें आप नोटबुक में लिखो, वर्कबुक वाली चीज़ें वर्कबुक में लिखो, टेक्स्ट बुक के क्वेश्चंस नोटबुक में लिखो, एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपको फिल इन टेक्स्ट बुक में करना है. रिवीजन आपका रिवीजन नोटबुक अलग होना चाहिए, एंड योर वर्कशीट you have to write it down neatly. Fine? So you have to do your worksheets nicely. Catch you up tomorrow.